Hello, YouTube. As you see, this is a peep on a toothpick. Yes. And Goose is with me again. Hello. She celebrated. She didn't celebrate her birthday yet. She has yet to do that this weekend. And yeah. She is, I believe, 19. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Sorry about YouTube for that. If you got dizzy. So, conundrum. Sorry if you got dizzy. But yeah. Yeah, earlier, I wasn't recording this, but earlier we were going like, sorry, I cannot aim. We were like, she did that first. I swear to you, I said that it sounded like a baby falling. Like, oh my goodness. We got problems. This peep is the only sane thing here, even though it's kind of stale.
It doesn't have a brain.
It doesn't have a brain, no.
And it's still sane.
Yes.
You know, it's got a toothpick near the
Quite interesting. Yes. A peep being more sane than human without a brain.
Poor peep.
Yes, poor peep. We were waiting for some friends who were supposed to come back so we can blow this peep up in the microwave. Yes, there are so many YouTube videos out there with peeps being blown up in the microwave, including from the guy who made The Annoying Orange. Awesome video, even though it's kind of extreme. For it to blow up an entire apartment. It's not for it blowing up. Well, I'm pretty sure it made like a or whatever. I'm sorry. Like it's hard to vlog right now because my arm hurts. Oh my. Yeah. We have issues. So. Yeah, we've been waiting here for about half an hour. Ish.
New word. Ish kebab.
Ish kebab.
Kind of like shish kebab.
Like shish kebab with the ish kebab. Shish.
It's a
Shish.
shish kebab. A shish kebab.
It's a shish. Okay. I'm trying not to laugh too weirdly for you, YouTube. But yeah, we've been waiting here for about half an hour for the people to come back originally who were going to blow up this peep. Yes, this poor peep, she's got many more. They haven't been eaten, so they might as well put to good use. So this video is going to feature it's being blown up. Not with like firecrackers or anything, but it's going to be in the microwave. Microwave! Yes. Okay, we should do that right now. You know me, YouTube, by now that I hate biology, but I have to do it. So, anyway, yes, we shall. Let us go. Yes. Ha! Okay. Kills the peep. Yes. This microwave is rather old, but it works. So we don't have a plate, so we're gonna use napkin. Just use two, just in case. Okay. Ooh. There's a light in there. Oh, of course it has to have a light in there. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't explode. But I'm gonna take it off the toothpick. I can't. No, I just leave it there. We'll just leave that in there. Okay, so we'll do it for a minute, which is 2. Okay, nothing's happening yet. This poor people. Oh! Oh my! It's, oh my goodness.
Like s'mores day.
It's oh my. Yeah, poor thing. Let's stop it now.
Like three times its normal size.
Is it still going? Oh my goodness. Oh, smells funny.
Like,
No, stop. Oh, it started burning a little bit. S'mores seat. Yes. Oh, look at, ew, I hate the eyes. It's so weird. I can take the toothpick out by now. Poke the eye. Ouch, that hurt. This thing is hot. There's the eye. That's disgusting. Ew, it's greasy. It's greasy. It's trying to get... Okay, it's just part of it now. That's never coming off. It's a purple... Hey, it looks like a heart. A heart in the middle. Hot, by the way. YouTube. Seriously, it sounds like it's still going. I don't know why. But yeah.
You're not hearing that feedback, huh?
Yeah, I'm sure. But anyway, let's close this. Or it's stuck to the napkin, and it's stuck to the toothpick too, so there's no way to get it. Yeah. Wow. So that concludes the peep killing. So, I guess that's the end. So I'll give you the outro of darkness and offness and fineness. It didn't work! Oh no! I'm sorry!